So if you guys are having trouble with regrouping, you have the perfect video here. Because all the videos that I watch to regroup don't help me at all. I always get confused. So look, I'm going to write a number down here. So 5, 6, 1. And 4, 8, 2. So here's the math. And I'm trying, and I don't know what the answer is. So I have a method that always helps me. Though my mom is laughing. So 5 minus 4 is 1, right? 5 minus 4 is 1. So you put 1 for the first number. Look. You put 1. And 6 minus 8. What's 6 minus 8? It's 2. It's 2. So you put 2 here. And then, what's 1 minus 2? I don't know. Okay. So that equals 1. So it's 121. That's an easy way to learn math. To learn this. To learn how to regroup. And how to subtract. So how to subtract is easier, I think, right? Yeah, I think it's easier. I don't know. I just like to subtract more. I love how my hair is looking today. It's like curly. Look. Okay. So, I'm gonna have 5. I used to love the 5 combination. 5, 4, 1. And 8, 2, 8. So I'm going to do the same thing, just with the plus. Wait, what's subtracting? I forgot what subtracting is. Is it like with plus? I think so. Do not mind that. Okay. So let's start doing the math. So 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 10 is 15. And 5 plus 9 is 14. So it's going to be 13. It's 13. Do you see right here? 13. 13. But I can't put 13, right? I can't put it. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put, wait, no, I'm doing the math wrong. I did the math wrong. Oh my gosh. I started with the first number. I'm going to put for subtracting. I'm going to put for the pluses. I'm going to start with the last digit of the number. I started wrong. So, I forgot the number. I don't even want to remember. I only remember the first number. 5. 5, 5, 4, 1. put 3, 7, 4. So this math looks pretty easy because 1 plus 4, what? That doesn't make sense. Because 1 plus 4 is 5, right? It's 5. So what we're going to do, it's 5. 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 Do you guys like my finger? This is how long my nails are. And this is just like candy dust. This is just candy dust from Thunder. Okay, so what's 1 plus 4? It's 5. And 4 plus 7 is, what is it? 4 plus 10 is 14. 4 plus 9 is 13. And 4 plus 8 is 12. So it will be 11. So if it's 11, how are we going to put it? So here. I'll do it. Wait, Emma? Okay, wait. So this is how I did my math yesterday because my dad was teaching me. So I am doing the math right. So I'm gonna carry the 1 for the 5. So now it's gonna be so now we're gonna put the last digit of the number. That is gonna be 1 because it's 1 1, right? So down left. So this is the first 2 numbers. And then what's 5 plus 3? It's 8, right? But then we carried the 1, so we have 1 more. So now it's 5 plus 4. What does 5 plus 4 mean? What does 5 plus 4? What's 5 plus 4? Is it 9? I didn't know that. So we put 9. And here's the answer. This is an easy way how to learn math for my way. If this doesn't help you, I could teach it to tutor you because my mom wants to tutor me too because I'm bad at math. But this is the way I use for regrouping and for subtraction. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah.